Ooh.
And breathe.
What is going on, guys and girls? Welcome back to the Crack Addicts YouTube channel, home to chiropractic media. If you guys haven't already subscribed to the channel, make sure you do. If you do enjoy chiropractic content like this, before we get into the video, if you want to skip the commentary, go straight to 1 minute and the video will roll out from there. Anyway, getting into today's video, guys and girls, we've got another big chiropractic adjustment compilation. If you want to check out any of the chiropractors, their links will be in the description where you can get in contact with them. If you want to book appointments or go and get treatment done from them, that's how you can do that. If you didn't check out yesterday's video, I'll have a link to that in the description where you can check it out. It got a very good response, and I'll throw it up on the screen now so you can see where it is. Make sure you leave a comment in this video. I want to see loads of comments. I want to see your reactions to the video. If you enjoy it, make sure you leave a comment, subscribe, share the video, and I'll let the footage roll now, and I'll see you on the next one.
Okay.
That felt so good.
There we go. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Drop down a little bit here. One more time. Deep breath in and out. There we go. Good. Okay. Let me get you to sit up on the table for me. And then I'll have you straddle the table. One leg on either side. Perfect.
Oh.
There we go.
Those are great.
Okay. Go face down. I want to check the sacrum. Yep, face me first. Good. Leg. Good, good. Foot.
Tight.
The seated one already got it.
Oh, that got so much.
Yeah, I just want to see if there's anything left here. Just that a little bit. Okay.
No baby one.
On your back for me.
Okay.
Alright, so I am going to remove your shoes because I know you. Good. Do a little bit of shearing of the forefoot. Good. Relax, relax. There we go. Scoot back just a little bit. Good. These little toes here as well. Okay, squeeze your elbows together, lean back.
Oh, wow.
Good.
That was awesome.
That's
I got that exact spot that I was talking about.
Did it?
Mm-hmm.
Take a deep breath in and out. Good. Relax right there. And breathe. Deep breath in and
You're
out.
going to rock your pelvis down. I'm going to specifically try to contact that sacrum in the same exact spot. There you go. Let that roll. Got it. Lie face down again and test it. Same type of test that we've been doing where you lift that left leg. And we're looking for snake my hand through. You're going to give me a little snug on that arm. I'm going to come into the lumbar. Got it. Did you feel those?
Yeah.
Okay. One more time, lie face down. Let's recheck it. And blow it out. Big breath in and blow it out. Breath in and blow it out. Good. Lie on your back, please. Think you adjust your neck today?
Pardon?
Can I release your neck today?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so scoot all the way to the top of the table.
Again, in through your nose. Not through your mouth. Good. Sinking in. Good. Now, moving down a little bit lower in the thoracic spine. Another deep breath in. Good. And out. Shoulders relaxed, sinking in. Okay, one more deep breath in, far as you can go. Good. And then as you breathe out, let your shoulders relax. Good. We're going to bring the shoulder up. All right, so shoulders forward just a little bit more, just like that. Okay, same thing, okay? Gentle, we don't have to push hard. Just breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. Good, we're gonna let your shoulder come up. There's more, hold on, there's more. Good, good, let it all sink in. Good, just like that. Good, lay on your back. So go ahead and turn your head to the right. One, good. Another breath, gentle. Okay, bring it over to the side.
Oh, that hurts already.
6,
Wow.
5, 4, 3, 2. It's all at the bottom.
I
don't know, you're good. Just keep breathing. There's nothing to. Oh, it's all good.
It's just sore.
Yep, that's okay. That's why you're here. You're doing good. Your head's perfectly relaxed right now. Just keep breathing, noticing your breath and how it's moving your body. Okay, so very gentle. I'm just going to lift your toe and then it'll crack, okay?
So weird. Oh my God.
Push, push, relax. Okay, now squeeze and hold. Squeeze, squeeze.
Your head. Drop these down.
Right, so
I'm going to adjust in here a little bit, okay?
Oh,
Did you hear that?
yes, that felt really good. Oh,
Now turn left and right and see if it changed.
oh yeah, it's a lot better.
Good. So lie on your back. That's fine. Send this knee up. And let me have your arm. And bring your arm up like this. And scoot your hips towards me a little bit. Let this roll. So I'm going to come back into, my hand, my palm is right at the sacrum.
Oh,
Right?
yeah.
So this goes like this. Take a breath in and blow it out. Good. Good. Which is the bad one?
This is the good one. This is the bad one.
All right, good. So let's start on the good one because I can go to school on our good one, learn a little bit, and then go to the bad one.
I mean, good is relative with my ankles.
Here it goes.